Hello guys, this is Farhan again with another forex trading video for you guys. In this video I am going to tell you how you can make money in forex market automatically. Yes, you heard me right. You can make automatic money in forex market without doing any efforts from your end. But before I start today's video, I would like you to please smash the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit the bell notification icon. Now let me start the video. This is going to be the most important video of your life. I am telling you that, and I am very confident about it, that this video can help you generate passive income for some people, and some people can make huge gains in their account, and some people can learn from my trading. So this video is going to benefit all of you guys who will enroll into my service. Now let me explain how you can make automatic money. As most of you guys would know that I just recently launched my signal service again, and this time I'm going to be full transparent. I'm going to share with you guys what trade I take, and if I will have any losing trade I will also share it with you guys. But let me show you, in the last 3 days since I started my signal service, you can see I have made more than 3.56% gains in my master's account. This is the same account from which everyone who joins my signal service will get the same trades from this account automatically. So my aim is to double this account in the next 3 months, and I've already made 3.56% gains. And this is ultra defensive account, but it has a very low drawdown, and I'm going to make quality trades in this account. So this is 3.56% growth in the last 3 days, and let me show you all of the trades which I took. So this is all the trade which I took in the last 3 days, and all were profitable with very minimum drawdown. So my aim is to double this account with minimum or no drawdown at all. Yes, you heard it right. I am only taking quality trades in this account with very low drawdown. So some people have concerns about when they invest in some signal services that they have huge drawdowns, but this time I am very confident that you will not get huge drawdown in this service. So this is the best service you cannot find anywhere else. This is all going to be transparent, all verified. As you can see, I will also update each and everything on my Telegram channel as well as from the YouTube videos. I will update you consistently regarding this account. And once you join my service, you will have 3 options with you. Number 1, by default you will receive trades in the defensive mode. As you can see right now, if you would have joined, you would have made 3.56% in your account too. And number 2, you have the option to change to aggressive mode. If you have a small account, you can contact my team and they will adjust your lot size. So if you would have joined from aggressive mode, this account would be up like 15% or so. You can make money whatever mode you like, make money according to your risk parameters, and it's suitable for both type of investors. And number 3, you will get this Telegram channel access. This is, as you can see, currently we have 91 subscribers already in the last 3 days, and whatever trade I take in my master's account, those trades are sent here. So this is suitable for those who don't want their account to be copied. They want to trade manually. They can copy the signals right from here. As you can see, this is what I wanted to share it with you guys. This is the best service you can get from the entire internet. I guarantee you that because no one is going to share with you these kind of results or transparent. My service cost is very low. You can join by only paying $230 for the 3 months, which will cost you around $76 per month, and the other option is $99 per month. So if you are not comfortable with 3 months, you can at least try with $99 per month and see the results yourself. So this is the best and least service that I can offer to my clients, and I can guarantee you this time that you will see some amazing gains. And so before I end this video, I really urge you that you should subscribe to my service right now, because the demand is pretty high and I'm really going to raise the price. So right now the prices are very affordable for you guys and anyone can join. So do grab this offer, and I really hope you like this video, and I hope to see you as a member very soon. Bye bye.